Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So I recently got a package from Mattel and ordered some stuff from them, and then these are the cars that showed up in the package. So I'm gonna just give you a quick look of this. We'll have full videos later, but what you see here is normally what you might be able to find in the stores, but then there are two boxes behind these which are exclusive to Mattel creations, so those should be interesting. I will unbox those, show you what's in there. So let's start with these ones. So the first one is a 2008 Mercedes-Benz CLK63 AMG Hotwheels Premium. Looks good, looks nice. The second one is a Maserati MC20, again by Hotwheels Premium from Boulevard, and it looks really good with all the details on it. Looks nice, I guess. Next we have Dodge Viper SRT10. It's a car from Fast and Furious movies, and you can see again comes with a lot of good details. Looks nice. Next we have got a Toyota GR Yaris, and I was actually looking for this for, I won't say a long time, but since I saw the pictures, it looks really good. We don't get the GR Yaris in North America, we get the GR Corolla, so getting this one is even better. And now you see those two boxes, so there's something interesting in each of them. I'm going to open the first one and show you what's in there. So on the side of the box it says Mattel Creations, so definitely not something which you get every day in your store. Let me open it up. You can have a glimpse of it now. You see what's in there? It's a 1982 custom Toyota Land Cruiser. Real rider, metal, and I think it's really interesting. It's from the Elite 64 mod shop, so let's bring it out. So it's in this kind of box where you can see it says Elite 64 mod shop, and you can see on the image it's supposed to look like this with all the mods, and on the back you can see whatever is in there. I'm not gonna open the box, you have to wait for a full video for that one. But let's move to the last box we have got. So this one seems a little bigger than normal. Still, I should say what's got. It's just got one car. Quite big for that. But let's open up and see what or which cars is in there. So opening the box. There's more packaging inside. Oh, because it's carded, so they put it in a bigger box. So let's see. They did that because it's also a Elite 64, and look, it's a McLaren M6 GT, finished in orange. Definitely has some good details on it. And if you know, these are not available in store. You have to, I think you have to be a member of Mattel Creation to get these. You can see it says all the stuff here, length, weight, which you don't normally see on any Hot Wheels. I will be opening this one soon. Maybe sooner than later, but yeah, looks like a nice casting. So yeah, that's all what I got from Mattel Creations. If you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do to see more videos related to diecast. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.